Friends, welcome. Happy to see all of you here. We start our live trading session, and today's topic will be how to find market reversal and to keep your trades for a bigger period and to take really beautiful movements. Today's stream will be based purely on a practice because I will share with you a few of my trades. I will share with you a few of my secret approaches. Let me check. Biggest examples today I will cover on a trades that I took with my community and that I personally took, and have a look. We will cover real trades like it was this one on BTC. Have a look how we took a beautiful reversal exactly before price did beautiful drop. Even this trade on Ethereum that we took on a previous week exactly at top. And after that, have a look how price dropped, and we booked our 6%, and after that price dropped additional 10%, like 15% beautiful movement. How to get such trades, how to trade it in the future, you will learn. That's why at this moment, what should we do? First, write a few words about audio quality, video quality. While you're writing about audio video quality, let me remind to our people that we started. And let me send into Telegram that we started. Okay, good. Good. I see that you are here. Is it another pre-recorded stream? No, it is a live stream on YouTube. It is not another pre-recorded stream. Okay, let's open this stuff. Firstly, I would ask you, friends, did some of you used Orderflow any before? How is it pre-recorded? We recorded one masterclass about Orderflow, what's Orderflow, and for beginners. That's why we sometimes, when people download free PDF, we share with them pre-recorded web about Orderflow. And I think for beginners, it is a really good option to learn it when it's useful for them. Okay, let's go. Let's do like once more what will be a lesson plan. I will share with you several ideas how you can catch really beautiful trades and really beautiful reversal on what stuff you need to see. I will share with you two ideas, two patterns that I personally use, and we cover indicators that I use. That's why let's start. First, let's cover based. Okay, at this moment, volatility increase on BTC. Finally, something going on BTC. Finally, something going on, but I didn't take a trade for 3 days because there was no my patterns. Okay, nothing special. Don't want to take it. Okay, let's cover these two examples on BTC and Ethereum, and I will cover with you first secret how you can find the reversal of a market. Can some of you guess what will be the most important indicator when we use this approach, first approach? Can some of you guess? I will give you a few seconds to write, to share with me. There one thing that we call liquidations. Friends, do you know that there are liquidations? How many of you knows what's liquidations? Write plus, and if you don't know what's liquidation, write minus. Delta or cumulative delta? Yes, delta have place in that. Okay, plus. Look, cumulative delta. Yes, we will use cumulative delta. First important stuff, friends, it is liquidations. Have a look. What was the reason why I took, for example, short here? because footprint and liquidation round out the top of the footprint candle. Okay, let me cover before we dive deeply into this stuff. What's liquidations? Liquidations, it is, for example, you take long trade. Let me show to you on some real example. Like imagine you took long trade on BNB in this place. For example, you took trade in this place, and you took it without stop loss, but with big leverage. For example, you took it with leverage 10, and price dropped into this area, and exchange automatically sell your position because you don't have enough funds on your account. That calls liquidation. And to get out from long, you forced to sell. And the same when you have short position. For example, you took short position in this place, and to get out from your short position, you must buy back. And when we face massive liquidation, quite often, it is a good places for trades. Let me show to you. Uno momento, signori. Let me show to you a beautiful example on this Ethereum. Maybe it was one of the best examples that I saw during previous few days. Let me share it with you here. In our Discord community, a few days ago, I shared with people the data, and let me show to you the data exactly as I shared. Several days ago on Ethereum, there was massive liquidation. This one, exactly this picture. On this picture, this screenshot, have a look. This beautiful screenshot, you can see a few indicators. First one, it is delta, and it is open interest. Here you can see, my friends, delta open interest dropped from 1.2 millions to 1.1 millions. Altogether, I calculated approximately 150,000 contracts on Binance only got liquidated. And because of delta, we can understand that most of those people were short sellers, because short sellers that opened short here, to get out from their short, they were forced to buy back to cover their short. And because of that, we face massive liquidation. Guys, do you know how much it is? 150,000 contracts. Do you understand that it is quite a big number? What I mean quite big number, 150,000 only on Binance. You can multiply it by 2 because altogether derivative exchanges, it will be additional 150,000. I mean Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, and other exchanges. 300,000 contracts were liquidated. And if you multiply by average price, for example, 2050 at that time, it is $615 million worth of liquidations. That's a huge amount of money. I hope, do you agree that it is a huge amount of money? More than $500 million. Let's open for you and cover the data exactly here. Let's open this one. Pay attention how it was really beautiful. How delta, cumulative delta, massive rise exactly at high, guys. Delta rose by nearly 200,000 on this 1 hour candle, only on Binance, and massive drop on open interest. Have a look at this one. Just beautiful. That's one of first example of massive liquidation. We will cover with you several charts, but you will see that quite often after such massive liquidation, what price can do? Price do or make range or make deep reversal. The same. That's the reason why we took a trade on Ethereum. Why I took short on Ethereum? Because honestly, we did several trades on Ethereum. We did a trade here. I gave a recommendation to take short here, and also we took short here. Honestly, I had desire to take short here on retest, but that didn't happen because after liquidations, you will have momentum, like you will have a clear direction of a market for several days, because after such liquidations, you will see quite often you will have 1-2 weeks when price moves into opposite direction of liquidations. At this moment, share with me, write 1 into a chart if you understand concepts that I showed to you, and write minus if you don't understand the indicators that I showed to you, and like you are freshman here. Because for beginners, friends, what we did with my team, for all people that beginners, below this video, you can download my templates to a platform that I use. First, you can download free templates. Just open this link first in description. And you can see all that indicators, cumulative delta, open interest. And secondly, you can download free PDF here to learn strategies that we use. Everything in description. 11111. 11111 plus 11. Guys, if some of you, okay, I see. That's a reason. Why is it trade? It was exactly this one. That's the reason why we here decided to take short, such beautiful short. Because what was clear with this trade? It was clear that price already rose quite a lot, and here was massive liquidation. And for price to continue, they minimum what they need to do to make deep pullback or create a range, or even there would be a trend reversal. As bigger liquidation, as better for market reversal. Let's cover a few examples on BTC. Honestly, you will be surprised by accuracy. Let's cover those few examples. Okay, that's BTC. Let's open BTC. Bam, 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 bam. Even this one, have a look, few days ago. Let's cover this trade because I didn't take this trade. Let's cover this higher trade on BTC, another example. What's going on? Oh, good. Have a look. On April 26th, we took short with our community members on BTC. Why I share with you that we took? Because I don't like to speak post factum that we took some stuff, because like I don't like to speak post factum. I like to speak with people when we speak like we analyze before something happens. Like, have a look. I shared with our community members this screenshot. Have a look. Guys, tell me, does every one of you see this numbers, cumulative delta, open interest? Write 5, write 5. If you can see open interest, cumulative delta, and numbers that are here. If you don't see clearly, write minus. Good, guys. Yeah. So, cool. I see you. Felix, can you you don't see numbers? Do you see at least indicators? Right, please. because I would like to share this example that each of you would understand and would see. Is it maybe something like this better? Like this one? Oh, good. I think this is better. And let me hide my face. We don't need it at this moment. Have a look at this example on this trade on BTC. Have a look on this example. We took short. We took short with our students exactly at top. And have a look again. Open interest. Big drop. Like in this candle, exactly at this candle, we faced massive drop in open interest, or it is this one, like exactly at top. Secondly, have a look how cumulative delta and delta jumped exactly here. Why this candle creates? Do you understand why this candle creates? Because a lot of people that start open, have a look how open interest, have a look how open interest started to build, while cumulative delta were nearly at flat. That means a lot of people here build short positions. And when those guys, to get out from their short positions, they forced to cover with buyback. And for market makers, it is the best liquidity to get into, to build short or cover their longs that they built way below. That's how market liquidity works. We will cover some other coins at the end of the stream, because I would like to for start share examples with people. And second part will be I'll share with you answer on your questions and we'll analyze coins for you, my friends. I plan to do a live trading stream. If you interested in live trading stream, we can do it in the future. Naik Demers, can you share with me? You don't see numbers. Share please with more details. That's another example, friends, for you of a trade that we took based on a liquidations. Let's cover here. This liquidation happened not only because of liquidation. We also enter a trade here because BTC retested massive area of volume. Have a look on this area of volume. It was the biggest part of volume profile. What I always try to explain to our students that we never use one indicator. There always must be a system together. And like this one, in a proper place, big and massive liquidation happens. Secondly, significant volume enters the market. For us, it was perfect conditions to take a trade with very low risk and massive potential reward. And as you can see, BTC played out really good. And another example for you. Another example, even better example. Have a look how exactly here at bottom. Have a look how exactly here at bottom. Price of BTC. Let me open lower time frame, maybe M15. Let me make it better and way closer together. Have a look, friends, on another example for you. How open interest dropped so much. Like price started dropping, and again, massive drop in open interest and massive drop in cumulative delta. And have a look how cumulative delta started rising exactly here at high. How it started rising means a lot of people bought here. A lot of short sellers got liquidated, forced to buy back, and all people that trapped here for with longs were forced to sell their positions exactly here. And by clusters, you can see that the biggest volume was exactly here in this area. Plus, have a look. It was exactly retest of this massive volume profile. As you can see, why I like Orderflow. Why I like Orderflow? Because it shows together. It confirms signals all together. We have proper area, we have massive liquidation, we have big volume nodes in a footprint. That's just beautiful for accurate entry. Sadly, I didn't take this one because it was at 10 p.m. my time. It is 10 p.m. Ukrainian time. For some people from West Europe or from America, I mean, as a continent, not country, it was way better because it was a working time. When how can I find the best entry point? I share with you best entry point. First, what you need proper area, and secondly, you need proper indicators like cumulative delta plus open interest. It is maybe one of the best combinations. Like to find best entries, you need to learn all about all of this stuff, about all of these indicators. Tell me, Kevin, did you use Orderflow ever before? Okay, live trading, good. Good, guys. Yuri, check OP, as I told you at the end. What to use, ATAS and Tiger Trade or both? I use ATAS. As I told you below this video, you can download my templates, workspace, all of these settings. We do it for free. Plus, my team will help each of you that download to set up it for free. Plus, ATAS is free for crypto market. That's why way better to use ATAS, of course. I'm using your template. Good. Also, friends, at this moment, I'm preparing a pro course where I'll share with people all this stuff, how to use together. We are finishing. We need maybe 1 week to finish a pro course with Orderflow, because I took maybe 50 example of trades, how we combine it together. There would be several entry ideas, and you just need to mimic and follow our steps to take beautiful trades. That's why just 1 week I need to do it. Okay. Does it work for opposite side for longs like negative delta? Yeah, it works for both sides. It doesn't matter. It works for both sides. We can try to find maybe some previous situations. Because market were bullish last few months, that's why we look for rising. But at this moment, rare other, it works for other sides. Have a look here. Massive drop in open interest and massive drop in cumulative delta, and price did beautiful rise. That's in opposite direction. Let me cover maybe some additional examples. Okay, 155 days. Once more, friends, before I will share with you additional at least 2 examples, I would like to summarize. First, and the most beautiful way to find accurate entry ideas, it is to find liquidations in a proper place. If that liquidations appears nearly important key level, like this one, like this important key level, or it will retest the massive volume profile, that will give you just best entry possible, because your risk will be super small and potential reward like this one. Have a look. You take short, your risk very high, and your reward to next level. Like compare risk reward ratio, just amazing. There also another way how you can find the best places for reversal, something like that. But I need to finish with this one. Does all of you understand? Tell me, friends, at this moment, was it clear enough? And should I share with you additional, for example, 2 examples? Whereas I hope you saw that we just covered 2 examples for short and for long. Do we need to confirm a big volume in order to change the trend, etc.? What to look after we identify low open interest? It is, Gora, it is not low open interest. It is exactly massive drop in open interest. Because low interest quite often will give you no information, because sometimes there could be stable low interest and price just in a range, and you can't trade it. But massive drop, fast drop, or fast rise, that's really good stuff. Good, guys. Okay, let me do 2 examples to finalize with this, and after that I will answer on some of your questions. Let me zoom in on BTC. This stuff should work together with cumulative delta or just simple delta. Okay, let me close delta because we don't need it. Like at this moment, have a look. Open interest dropped significantly, and also massive negative delta. But as you can see, what price did after? Price went into a range from 3rd March until 7, like for 5 days. But this drop, it wasn't massive, because they dropped from 109,000 to 100, like 9,000 of BT. It is not a significant one. We need really massive drop, like 25,000 for BTC, 50,000 for BTC. That's really good. Have a look on this example, guys. Price did this beautiful rise, and let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. And have a look exactly here what they did. Price of BTC did this stuff. They did this massive pump. Open interest dropped from 110,000 to 97, and even here they dropped to 92, like nearly 20,000, and super positive cumulative delta. What happened here? Quite often, when price did significant rise, a lot of people start looking for reversal. I can bet it because I speak with a lot of retail traders and I know it. A lot of people start looking for reversal because psychologically it's really easier to, because price rose a lot and you understand that one day there would be a reversal. But as you can see what they did, all people that built short positions, especially with leverage, without stop losses, they got liquidated. And when you got liquidated on your short position, market force you to buy back. That means you buy exactly at top. And people that bought, for example, here at bottom or lower, to cover your long, you need exit liquidity, and you need people that buy from you, and you can sell to these people. And that's how liquidity works. And quite often, market stop its trend on liquidations. Like this time, as you can see what they did. After that, this level, they did massive liquidation here. And only after that, price continue rising, because this trend was really powerful. Like they did first 14 of from 14th until 20. Like price were a whole entire week in the middle of this range. But a trend on BTC at that time was really powerful. That's why price didn't reverse like trend change dramatically. As you can see, I use this stuff together with a footprint and volume profile because why I use together with volume profile? Because for me, volume profile gives accuracy because I can see the biggest volume distributed. And when I see that, for example, we have massive liquidations, for example, price liquidated, and I see that price broke my major volume profile. I can use that volume profile as a confirmation for accurate entry. I will remind to you as always that we never use one indicator, we use all indicators together to find best entries. Uh, okay, friends, okay. I think you saw how liquidation works. At this moment, let's do question and answers session with you. At this moment, if you ask questions, I will reply to 3 people. Because I think today that would be enough as example for you. I remind to you to join our public Discord where I share trade ideas, analysis for BTC. Let's do this one. I just sent into a chat a link to our Discord. And remember to download my template for free to use that stuff in the future. My team will help you to set up it. You can ask at this moment in the comments all people that are here that we help them to set up. Okay, guys, time to ask questions. Mm. Oh, I see a volume increase on EP. Okay, yeah, short or long today from better to do nothing. Trade your patterns and you will make way more money in the future. Because I analyze what I do. I share with my students all trades that I do, and mm, I share with all students trades that I do, and far better to trade your patterns because in a long run you will make way more money. That's an example for you. For example, when like sometimes I didn't follow my plan and close trade too early, for example. For me, it doesn't matter what news around. For me, what's the most important? Like have a look. I took trade, but plus have a look on this example of a trade, and you will understand my ideas about FOMC and all of this stuff. Have a look on this trade on Ethereum. I took long at 1834, but I moved my stop loss into break even too early, and I thought there would be breakout, and they took my break even. And after that, price rose for 15%. But I took a trade because Ethereum were first significant volume enter on Ethereum, and the big beautiful drop in cumulative delta. They took stop losses of a lot of buyers. And Ethereum reached powerful area. It is massive volume profile. And because of that, it was really cool place. News, like doesn't matter what news around, it will not give you accurate entry idea. You will not have entry with really low predictable stop loss and good potential reward. That's why I don't like to trade news. That's it. Because it is not predictable. In each trade, you must bet your money. And if you trade, for example, You trade with serious amount of money. Why would you risk it if your potential reward is unknown? Have a look on a previous news release on BTC 1 month ago. What they did during that form. It was exactly here, I remember. It was or interest rate decision or something like that. They took stop losses of so many people several times before any moment. Have a look how it was exactly here. They took stop losses. Have a look. Fake out, nearly went down. Again, fake out, and after that massive drop. That's why. But why would you use it? Okay. Smart, thanks. You're welcome. I'm good. I'm good. We are working trade. Really beautiful trades do together with our team. Hey, Vika, on the next few days, weeks, do you expect a little pullback on BTC USDT, or do you have more confidence in a rise of price? Charles, my teammates, they have a long-term strategy. My strategy based purely on order flow. I don't personally, for my personal trading, I don't even, I don't have even a task to do such stuff. What I do every day, I start my trading day from analyzing beautiful areas where I would like to trade, and after that I share trade ideas, or sometimes I don't share. I have diary where I just like at this moment it is my trade idea for if today. If there would be some all confirmation, I would like to take trade from this big volume area, but price already dropped without testing this area. That's it. I don't try to predict for a big period of time. In what cases, for me, it's really easy to tell you will price make some move. As I told you, when there are a lot of liquidations. When you see like this one, uh, like here from this area, here with my team we took a lot of long trades. Why it was really beautiful? Because BTC retested massive area of volume profile like this one, at this moment BTC globally in the middle of this range, and price can be in that range additional several weeks. Price can break it today during the news. Like, it is not the best place to take trade. I hope you understand this. That's why what I do, I simply wait for my patterns, and when my patterns appears, only in that case I take a trade. That's it. I don't try to predict BTC will do like this, after that this, after that this. I don't care, because I will not make money on that. I will make money only if BTC reach key area, and in that key area there would be beautiful liquidations or traps or something like that. That's what I trade. I know a lot of people try to make bold predictions for BTC, but in reality they don't trade the bold predictions. That's why it's not fair. Ragana, can you start Bybit copy trading? Yes, we will start soon Bybit copy trading. Tell me what is your account size, because about copy trading with my team we start asset management, and here you can read all details, and the three strategies that we use. First one of that strategy, it is my personal order flow trading, and for that I will use copy trading. But you should have good account to us to be interested in. That's why what you do, just open website and read. If you're interested, fill the form. After that my team will speak to you, and that stuff will not be public, and it will be only for in private. Yes, copy trading will be great. Guys, open that website and fill the form, because for copy trading, it would be interesting. For me, yeah, it's really interesting. We will do something with that. I have desire with copy trading to do a low risk, like 100% per year, like to trade on that account super low risk, and to make some good yield once per for quarter. When I will start copy trading, guys, I will not trade like all in, and goals will be only for a quarter. That's why if you like, for you, it's okay to have like 50, 150% per year. In that case, we can do. I don't want to bring a lot of stress. I want to be really super calm. I know for most of the people that won't be good, but most of the people is not my clients. Ethereum also, have a look at this moment in the middle of this range. Nothing to do. Nothing to do with ETH. Good, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for your time. We should finish about how to. You saw one good example how you can catch a market reversal. In the future, as I told you, within 1 week approximately, we will announce about our order flow course, where we will explain all indicators that I showed to you, and people will be able to. You will be able to see a lot of real practical examples with stop losses, take profits, volume placement. And let's do last question. What your thoughts on stablecoin like USDT or USDC? Do you have any confidence on so, or do you suspect to trade on BTC only? About stablecoins, what I understand that theoretically, a lot of companies will try to attack them as they did before. And what we know that from FTX, that guy tried to hack USDT and spread rumors about that they really bullshit company. At this moment, USDT, they follow rules. They have all reserves. That's why they biggest one on the planet. About USDC, also good examples. They survive the storm. And that's really good, because we saw that in a bad condition they went through it. That's why I do believe they will be everything will be good with them. In stable coins, there only one problem in their counterparty, like with USDC, when their bank, one of bank where they hold money, become bankrupt. Only that risk is important in stable coins, because, for example, USDT, most of their money they keep in US treasuries. Only if US announce default and the US won't pay money, in that case, that would be really disaster. Or a big part of their money in some bank will be stolen, or bank will be bank collapse. Only in that case, I do believe that USDT or USDC will be cracked. If there is no illegal activities and they follow the law, I don't think there would be problems. Maxim, all info is well noted. Thank you very much for such great in your time. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Have a good time.